When you think military trucks, you might think of mighty bruisers that can handle all but the most extreme warzone conditions. However, the trucks we've got for you today are all about agility and battlefield response. Here are the 10 fastest military trucks in the world. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to check out our number 1 pick. Number 10. Kraz 6322. First up on our list is an off-road 6x6 truck that's so good it's been in production since 1994. The Kraz 6322 is a beast of a machine straight out of Ukraine. The Kraz 6322 was designed to carry troops and supplies into the heart of a conflict zone without skipping a beat. This 12.5-ton monster can carry a payload of up to 10 tons. There's enough space on the inside for up to 24 soldiers to ride in relative comfort. Of course, speed and agility are of the essence for a vehicle like this. The Kraz 6322 features a 330 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine that propels it across the battlefield at a very respectable 50 miles per hour. These badass trucks have been in service in war zones all across the world. They've even been ordered by the US government for use in the Iraq conflict. Now that's a versatile truck. Number 9. Cougar 6x6 MRAP. Next up is another 6x6 battlefield beast. The Cougar 6x6 MRAP takes heavy armor and combines it with all the speed you'll need to get where you need to be. The Cougar 6x6 MRAP is blast shielded, mine-proof, and armored against small arms fire. There's not much out there that can slow down this beastly truck. A 330 horsepower Caterpillar C7 diesel engine lies at the heart of this monstrous machine's battlefield performance. And while it may weigh a staggering 17 tons, it's capable of hitting an astonishing top speed of 65 miles per hour. One of the greatest features of the Cougar 6x6 MRAP is that it's been designed to be easily repaired regardless of damage. It takes just hours to get it back onto the battlefield, something that can be essential in critical and dangerous situations. Got your eye on picking up a Cougar 6x6 MRAP? It'll set you back a cool $500,000. Number 8. Jelks 662. You might think twice before you decide to mess with our next truck. The Jelks 662 is a military truck from Poland that packs some serious battlefield punch. Sometimes simplicity is the best way to go when it comes to design. And the Jelks 662 has been created with aggressive utility in mind. It weighs a shocking 12.5 tons and can deliver a payload of up to 10 tons into the heart of the war zone. It can carry troops or essential supplies depending on the needs of the force it's serving with. An armored cab protects the driver against small arms fire up to 7.62 millimeters, but additional armor plates can be fitted for even greater weapon resistance. Of course, you all want to know just how quickly this thing can haul itself across a battlefield, and the Jelks 662 doesn't disappoint. This massive truck is capable of hitting top speeds of up to 52 miles per hour using its 450 horsepower Iveco diesel engine. Not too shabby for a vehicle that weighs as much as 2 adult elephants. Number 7. Super Stallion 8x8. You think that a 6x6 truck is an impressive piece of military machinery? How about an 8x8 truck? Allow us to introduce you to the Super Stallion 8x8. Designed for use as a critical supply carrier in the Indian Army, the Super Stallion 8x8 was created to deal with the harsh and challenging conditions faced when crossing desert environments. The Super Stallion 8x8 is no delicate flower, though. This jaw-dropping vehicle weighs in at a hefty 14.3 tons. All that muscle goes to good use on the battlefield, as the Stallion can carry a payload of up to 12 tons. These beastly trucks have been used as troop carriers, supply delivery vehicles, and even artillery tractor. You might be thinking that such a heavy truck will never keep up with the other speedy entries on our list, but you'd be totally wrong. The Super Stallion 8x8 features a 360 horsepower Neptune 360 diesel engine that allows it to barrel along at a ridiculous 55 miles per hour top speed. Number 6. MAN HX 8x8. Following up on our theme of 8x8 mega trucks, the next entry is sure to leave you wide-eyed at its crazy specs. This is the MAN HX 8x8. This heavyweight tactical truck has been specially designed to deal with the toughest conditions a conflict zone can deliver. In fact, the British Army has been using them since 2007 and has nearly 1,000 of these monsters in their force. When we say heavyweight truck, we really mean it. The MAN HX 8x8 weighs in at a scale-shattering 17 tons. All that extra bulk doesn't go to waste, though. This colossal machine can carry payloads of up to 15 tons. It's designed to carry critical supplies for military forces, but can also be put to use to haul trailers and artillery. A 10.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine is the heart of the MAN HX 8x8. It delivers 440 horsepower and propels the truck at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. This means that the HX 8x8 can respond to just about any situation in record speed. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz Zetro 6x6. If someone says Mercedes and 6x6 in the same sentence, you're probably going to think of one of those monstrous G-Wagons. But the next entry on our list is so colossal, it puts even those to shame. We are, of course, talking about the Mercedes-Benz Zetro 6x6. Designed to deal with the harshest conditions on planet Earth, the Mercedes-Benz Zetro 6x6 has been used in applications from conflict zones to the megalithic off-road plaything of billionaire businessmen. Hauling huge loads is the primary strength of the Mercedes-Benz Zetro 6x6, and it does it well. This beast of a machine can drag up to 16 tons of trailer payload. It doesn't matter the terrain you throw at it, the Zetros can handle everything from the blistering heat of sand dunes in Saudi Arabia to the freezing cold of Norwegian forest. A 7.2-liter 6-cylinder engine delivers a very respectable 428 horsepower. This allows the Mercedes-Benz Zetro 6x6 to hit a seriously impressive top speed of 55 miles per hour. Number 4. Paramount Marauder. When it comes to dealing with enemy threats, rapid response is essential. Every second of lost time can be critical in a conflict situation. The Paramount Marauder is a heavily armored and incredibly fast army truck designed to deal with the threats presented by modern battlefield situations. While it may carry a smaller payload than some of the other trucks on this list, the Paramount Marauder isn't really made for hauling cargo. Its 5-ton payload capacity is instead focused more on delivering soldiers to critical threats and rapid response situations. This 15-ton beast is armored to protect against all but the heaviest armed enemy threats. It's even got a specially designed V-shaped underside that provides enhanced blast resistance against mines and IEDs. Of course, as you'd expect with a vehicle like this, speed is of the essence. The Paramount Marauder can reach incredible top speeds of up to 62 miles per hour, ensuring that threats are neutralized as swiftly as possible. That's thanks to the 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that delivers 285 horsepower. Number 3. Oshkosh MTVR. Next up on our list is a truck for military forces that need to get things done. It's been in service for around 20 years, and in this time has proven its military might more than 10 times over. Let us introduce you to the Oshkosh MTVR. The Oshkosh MTVR is a favorite truck within the U.S. military. They're used across all branches, including the Marines and Navy. Over 11,000 MTVR trucks are currently in service across various American military forces. The Oshkosh MTVR is all about mobility. This gargantuan truck can traverse obstacles with up to a 60% gradient, hang off side slopes with up to a 40% gradient, and hits top speeds of up to 60 miles per hour with its 425 horsepower Caterpillar C12 diesel engine. Rough ground and dangerous terrain are all part of conflict situations, and the Oshkosh MTVR is well equipped to deal with everything it comes across. This high-performance vehicle can handle just about anything the environment or an enemy force can throw at it. Number 2. Volat MCKT600 203. If you spend any time checking out military trucks, you'll know that some of the craziest and most capable ones come right out of Belarus. And that's exactly where our next vehicle is from. This is the Volat MCKT600 203. This is one of the highest payload military trucks actively being used in war zones across the world today. The Volat MCKT600 203 can deliver cargo up to a staggering 17 tons. That means you could carry 7 rhinos in this thing without breaking a sweat. In order to be able to deliver these huge payloads, the MCKT weighs an astonishing 20 tons. You'd be forgiven for thinking that a 20-ton truck isn't really capable of getting around very fast, but you'd be dead wrong when it comes to the Volat MCKT600 203. This beast of a vehicle features a 520 horsepower Caterpillar C13 engine and hits incredible top speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. Number 1. Oshkosh Hemet. The final military truck on our list is one of the longest-serving vehicles in the U.S. military. The Oshkosh Hemet is a heavy tactical truck with some serious hauling power behind the wheel. These monstrous vehicles weigh a road-crushing 21 tons. That's not bad when you consider it can deliver a payload of up to nearly 11 tons. They're used for everything from hauling cargo to fighting fires. The Oshkosh Hemet is one of the most versatile trucks in military use. The Oshkosh Hemet may be a heavyweight on the battlefield, But that doesn't stop it from leaving competing trucks in the dust. Under the hood of this monster is a 500 horsepower Caterpillar C15 engine that allows the Hemet to hit top speeds of up to 62 miles per hour. These trucks have been in production since 1981, and 40 years of battlefield use hasn't left them in the dirt. When you get a well-constructed vehicle like the Oshkosh Hemet, you know it's built to stand up to the test of time. And that's 10 fastest military trucks in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.